sign language for dog. But that's what we use. That's what now I get used to teach her about dogs. So now whenever she sees
Get me into it. No, you can't do that.
Okay.
Now end it and start it. Hey! Let's see if he gets a smaller piece. Hey! Hey!
He's cool. That's a nice one. Hi. You made it fall. Try. A girl named Lisa from my second grade class.
No, I think she can know because let it all she does is she makes it up. Yes, she